Hey guys, welcome back to Dropping Gems. If you're new here to Dropping Gems, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for liking, for sharing, subscribing. For this video, today is going to be short and it won't be long as an update because I've already placed 2 videos online to show you guys how it is that you can create low content book interiors for free if you're not starting. However, this software here that I'm about to show you basically is going to be showing you how you can get those free as well. I decided to make a separate video so that I can show you how to get it downloaded and so forth, and so you can use it and so forth. So let's get started. You're going to come to the website bookbird.io. Alright, it has a membership that you can pay monthly. Alright, but we're not going to get into that. We're going to go into the free templates that I have available. So you're going to come to bookbird.io. You're going to go to templates, click on free templates, and it's going to bring you here. Alright. Now under free templates, there's a code library, there's the paper games, and there's beginner bundle. On each bundle, there's free 8 templates they're going to administer to you, and you can use. So let's go through those templates. First, you have the code library. The code library, the bundle contains of psychotherapist journal, the meditation journal, the hunting logbook, the scuba diving logbook, chess tactics, basketball playbook, makeup charts, cheese tasting journal. Another reason that you like to create a journal pertaining to any of these niches, they're going to give you pages for each and every these niches that you can use to place inside of this book. Alright, there's also different sources or format that you're going to receive it in. Say that you want to make edits, you can make those edits as well. Next, you have the paper games. Now, paper games book is another great niche on Amazon KDP. And as you can see, they have Hangman, they have tic-tac-toes, mash paper game, dots and paper boxes, dots and boxes paper game, sorry, the 4 word paper game, and so forth. Right, so if you want to create a game book, this will be perfect. And lastly, they have the beginner bundle, which is basically composition book, craft paper books, white wood books, and so forth. Plain books if you want to make a sketchbook, and so forth. So in total, you have it's 8 per bundle. In total, you have 32. Sorry, 24. 8 3 is 24. So you have 24 free interiors that you can basically start off with. In order to have these interiors, you click on download and it's going to bring you here. Alright, now you click on download and it's going to take you to a page where you basically have to put in the value 0, and once you put the value 0, you click on I want this, and then you're going to be able to download it basically. Okay, so this is what basically happens. Place 0 there, you click on I want this, you're going to enter in your email address and your name, then you're going to click on get. Once that opens up, you're going to then come to this page that says it has been purchased. Alright, you click view content, and once you click on view content, this is what's going to pop up. Alright, you're going to then click on download, and a zip file is going to be downloaded. Now once that zip is downloaded, you need to find the software in order to unzip it. When you unzip it, you're basically going to extract all that's inside, When you extract all that's inside, you save it to a folder that you will find, and basically I saved it here. As you can see, the basketball paper, because I downloaded the I downloaded which one did I download? I downloaded the gold bundle, the gold library trial bundle. So it's going to bring you here, and you can basically go through each one. Now, in doing this, each one with, forgive me, they give you 50 pages together, 100, 120, 150, and 200 pages together. So you don't have to worry about just being one single page. They give you, according to how big that you like to make your journal, they give you the pages basically. Yeah, so that's basically it. You'll be given 24 free pages that you can use to get started right away. That's if you're not creative or you don't want to go through the stress or having to go through Canva in order to create these interiors. You can come here and you can download it for free. You have access to ton of bundles, guys. Please make use of this to your full ability and capacity and get started ASAP. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave in the comments, and any advice on what video this is you'd like to see me produce more, so drop in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.